Hello, happy Monday. Thank you guys again for joining me. As requested last week, we are going to make some paper airplanes today. So you are going to need a plain piece of paper, just regular printer paper works or whatever you've got. And then any sort of coloring materials you want to decorate your airplane with afterwards. And then you should be good to go. So grab those materials and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper airplane. So this is more of an origami project in terms of folding papers. We will do that step by step together, and then I will let you guys get creative and decorate your airplane however you like. Okay, so I'm going to turn my phone over so you can see my page, and then we'll get started. All right, so you guys are gonna have your page the tall way in front of you. So if this was the long way and the tall way, so the tall way in front of you, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in half that way. So how they used to say it when I was in school is this would be hot dog style for folding. Okay, and then you push down on the edge. Once you've got those sides matched up, give it a nice push down, and then you're gonna open it back up. The next step is you're gonna take the top corner, you're gonna fold it back so that it meets the middle line, and it makes this triangle. So you're gonna try and get this whole side to match up to that middle line, that crease that you've made. And then you're just gonna fold it down like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. If you find that you've gone too far, just adjust. It's okay if there's a little bit of overlapping. Okay, so do that on both sides. They don't have to touch fully. All right, as you can see, I've got a little bit of a gap in between. I wouldn't worry too much about it. So you've got everything folded. Now we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna do that same thing. We're gonna fold it in to meet that middle crease. And you're gonna press down on those lines like that. And then we're gonna do the same on this side. You're gonna fold it in so that that line meets that center crease. Use your finger to hold it down. All right, so it should look a little something like this. Now you're gonna turn it sideways and you're gonna fold it in half so everything gets folded to the inside, back along that middle crease. And now we're gonna create the wings of our airplane. So we're gonna fold, this is where our opening is, we're gonna fold it back. And this part is kind of up to you how long you want your wings to be. I like to kind of go about this far out and have them kind of match up along this edge, as you can see. So you don't want your page to kind of come out like that, but you want to match it up with that back line, and then fold like that, and then you're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Try and again match those lines up, fold it down, and then once you lift it up, you can kind of lift those wings so that they're flat, and you should have your paper airplane. Okay, so we've got the basic paper airplane shape all done. The next thing that I want you guys to do is design your airplane. So it can be like a fighter jet. It can be a regular airplane style. You can get windows. You can put flames on it. Same as kind of the car prompt that we did. I want you to decorate it, color it, put designs on it, however you would like. You could pretend that it's your own private jet going somewhere. Again, however you want to design your airplane, go ahead. So I will give you some time now to do your designing and coloring, and then we'll come back after that. Okay, so your airplane is all colored and designed how you want it. The next thing that I'm gonna get you guys to do, which is optional, is come up with a name for your airplane. So you know how there's a million different brands of airplane companies and flight companies. You can come up with your own particular brand companies that already exist, like WestJet, Air Canada, Horizon, the Caribbean, So come up with your own airplane name or flight company name, and you can put it on your airplane. So if you would like to do that, think about what you want to name it and put it on your airplane, and then we'll come back. Okay, good. So you've got the name of your airplane or the airline. The last thing that I want you guys to do is think, if you were to throw this paper airplane and it would go as far as you wanted it to go, where would you send it, and who would receive it? And whoever you've decided, I want you to open up your airplane, and somewhere on there, write a little note to that person or to that place, wherever you've decided for it to land. And this is something that you can share, or you can keep it private. But this is a little note to the person that's going to receive this paper airplane once it lands. Okay, so think about it, and then go ahead and write your little message on the inside, and then we'll come back to close. All right, you guys, and there you have it. You've got your airplane with its little secret message on the inside to whoever you have chosen to send it to. The last thing left to do, I guess, is to test out your airplane. So give it a shot at home, give it a toss, see how far it goes. Make sure that there's nobody in front of you or around you that it could accidentally hit, because the front can be a little bit pointy. But yeah, have a little bit of fun with it, and whatever message that you have written inside, consider the possibility that your plane might not make it there if you are throwing it. So think about other ways of contacting maybe those people or places that you are wanting to send the message to. Okay? Yeah, that is everything for today's prompt. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts as always. And again, for any prompts that you guys want me to do or activities, just let me know and I'm happy to do them. So enjoy the rest of your day, the next couple days, and I'll see you on Wednesday.